Look at that. Look. Yan. Kikita natin dito yung Burj Al Arab. Look at that. Ito yung gusto ni Madam puntahan, yung Burj Al Arab kasi magpapapicture siya.
So, wait guys I want to tell you a fun fact. And sorry if I'm a bit
So,
sleepy.
yan guys, today, Saturday ngayon dito sa Dubai. So, pupunta tayo sa lugar dito sa Dubai kung saan yung isa sa pinakamagandang bike track dito sa Dubai. So, yan pupuntahan natin. Nakaload na tong mga bike natin dito sa sasakyan. Look at that. So, ready for bike na tayo. So, yeah. Look at that. Dili ang sigit, dili ko sa other side. Yan, ito yung robotic ano. Ito naman ang bike ni Superman. Buffalo bike ang tawag ko nito.
So guys, this is my first professional racing truck and I'm scared.
You're scared? Why?
Look at these people, they're going like 50 kilometers per hour.
No, it's not racing.
I know, but
Ito na?
The people that are very strong, they're doing 50 kilometers per hour.
If they're strong, you should be strong also. Guys, ready na ang setup lahat yan. Si Ishan. Look at Ishan. Si Madam, ready na? Ready?
Ready!
Wow, lo. So, ready na rin
Let's
ako.
see,
Ito yung
this is
setup ko
the
guys. Look at
first
that.
time.
Ito yung setup ng bike ko. So, yan. Kung di nyo alam, ganyan lang yan. Simple kangaroo bike ang tawag dito. So, let's go. So, yan guys, umagang-umaga ngayon dito sa Jumeirah Beach. Look at that. Napakaganda ng panahon, malamig, and napakaganda ng lugar magbike. Look at that. Shan, stay in your line ha. Look at that. So yan guys, super ganda ng panahon. Hello madam, how are you? So yan guys, tingnan nyo si madam nasa likod. Look at that.
Hello.
So yan guys, look at this place. Super ganda, look at that. Yan. Yan, ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang spot ng Jumeirah. Look at that. Nakikita natin dito yung Burj Al Arab. Look at that. Ito yung gusto ni Madam puntahan, yung Burj Al Arab kasi magpapapicture siya.
so wait guys I want to tell you a fun fact. And sorry if I'm a bit sleepy, but for a field trip we actually went to the Burj Al Arab and it was pretty cool.
You
I
went,
didn't
you went there?
Yeah.
How it is?
Wallahi, very nice.
What is inside?
Basically a really big room. There's cheetah skin on the stairs and they're like what?
They're telling that there is
50
like gold
Yes,
design.
it's
It's a pure gold?
Mostly gold.
Wala.
Wallah, what do you call this? You know the railing? It's
Yeah.
gold.
When-
Tapos you know their toilet?
When we can
Gold.
go there? When you will bring
Trophy.
there inside?
Trophy.
Trophy? Inshallah. Si Madam.
Sa wakas napuntahan ko na din ang pinapangarap ko kahit sa labas lang.
Oh. Let me go in the unahan. I think number 4, number 3. May competition na nangyari. Ito yung Dubai Challenge.
I have a chance to have the auction. Winners of the auction.
Guys, tingnan nyo itong lugar na to guys. Yan, napakaganda ng lugar dito. Talagang safe na safe yung pakiramdam mo pag andito ka sa lugar na to. Look at that. Ito yung Jumeirah Beach. Itong lugar na to, yan. Super ganda ng lugar. Look at that. Hello madam, how are you?
I'm good. Feels good. Start with 3 or 4.
Look. Yan. Super nag-enjoy tayo guys. Alam mo yung gumising tayo ng maaga, ito yung reward. Alam mo, yung supposed to be natutulog tayo. But nandito tayo ngayon nagbikan. Napakaganda ng lugar, napakaganda ng pakiramdaman. Ito yung ginagawa nating coping mechanism. Alam mo sa araw-araw na stress sa buhay, pag nagbabike-bike ka parang nagiging neutralizan. Makita mo tong lugar na to, talagang super ganda. Look at that. Yan. Daming mga nagbabike, dami ring mga tumatakbo dyan. Itong Jumeirah Beach na to, napakalawak niya. And dito mo makikita yung dami ng activity dito, biking, jogging, martial arts, swimming sa lugar na to. Dito mo makikitaan. Super nag-enjoy tayo. Napakaganda ng ambience ng panahon, malamig na ngayon dito. And yeah, super ganda niya.